Once upon a time, in a world not so different from our own, there was a magical school that floated high up in the clouds. But something strange was happening. The school was flickering, becoming transparent.
Oh, hello there. I'm Professor Pop, your guide to the magical world of numbers. Welcome to our floating school of wonders, or what's left of it, I'm afraid.
Hoo-hoo, don't forget about me, Professor. I'm Whizzy, the wisest owl in all the Cloud Kingdoms.
How could I forget you, Whizzy? Now, my dear students, I have some, rather concerning news. Our magical school is losing its power. Look, you can see right through the walls.
Remember, Professor, numbers are the magic that holds our world together. We must count on their power.
You're absolutely right, Whizzy. To save our school, we need to collect 20 golden numerals hidden in the mystical number jungle.
Sniff. But Professor, I don't know how to count that high.
Oh, don't worry, little one. Let me show you something magical. Look at these colorful bubbles. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See? You're already a counting expert. Now, are we ready for an adventure?
Yes, Professor Pop.
Then let's go to the number jungle.
Hoo-hoo, what a magnificent jungle. But remember, everyone, those number monkeys can be quite tricky.
Right you are, Whizzy. Now let's all join in our counting rhyme to build up our courage. Ready? 1, 2, buckle my shoe.
3, 4, open the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, let's count again.
Oh my, look at this marvelous place. Can you see the numbers hidden all around us?
Hoo-hoo, I spy with my owl eye something that counts to 5.
Professor Pop, the leaves on that tree, they're shaped like numbers.
Well spotted. Now let's see if we can find our first golden numeral. Remember, we need 20 to save our school. Our first challenge. We need to cross this stream by hopping on the lily pads in numerical order. Who wants to go first?
I'll try, Professor.
Wonderful. Now count out loud as you jump. Ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I did it.
Hooray!
Marvelous work, everyone. Our first golden numeral. Let's keep going.
Hoo-hoo, look, the number monkeys are trying to help us.
Indeed they are. Let's follow their lead. Oh, look ahead, number vines. Time for some swinging subtraction. Grab a vine and call out how many numbers you're counting down as you swing. 10 minus 3 is 7.
8 minus 2 is 6.
We've done it. That's our 10th golden numeral. Look up at the sky, everyone.
We're halfway there, but we must hurry.
You're right, Whizzy, but first let's celebrate with a counting dance. Ready, everyone?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Goodness gracious, look at those cheeky monkeys.
Hoo-hoo, Professor, they're taking our numbers.
Don't worry, everyone, we'll get them back. Let's split into teams for a counting relay race. Ready, set, count.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Professor Pop, look, it's like a number galaxy.
Well, I'll be. Even in their mischief, these monkeys know how to appreciate the beauty of numbers.
Great googly moogly, what is that?
It appears to be a giant number web.
How will we ever get them all?
Together, of course. Let's each take a section and... Oh no! Oh dear, my wand. It's lost its power?
Hoo-hoo! Don't forget, Professor, we've come so far already, we can do this!
You're right, Whizzy. Remember all the counting games we've played? Let's use what we've learned. We can do this. Let's count together.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Remember, everyone, we're stronger together. Let's create a counting song to help us along.
1, 2, 3, untangle with glee. 4, 5, 6, golden numbers will fix.
Hoo, look at that! The numbers are coming alive.
I've got 7.
Here's 8 and 9.
Ooh, hoo, ah.
Well, I'll be a binary digit. The number monkeys are helping us. Professor Pop, the trees, they're turning into number trees. Indeed they are. We're bringing the magic of numbers to life. Oh dear, how will we reach that last one?
I can do it, Professor.
Of course you can. Up you go.
20, 20, 20.
I got it, number 20.
Well, count me surprised. We're back in our classroom.
And look, the school is solid again.
3 cheers for our number heroes. Hip hip.
Hooray!